Hello, hello, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Shotgun King, the Final Checkmate. Um, I saw this online somewhere and I thought it looked silly. Picked it up for like $10, I think, on Steam. And you play as the king from chess, except you have a shotgun. I haven't seen like more than like 10 seconds of gameplay, because I saw it and I was like, yeah, I gotta play this. And I didn't want to spoil anything, so let's see what this is all about. There's different game modes. Throne. Reclaim your throne by reaching floor 12 of the castle's main tower. Okay. Oh, we have different options. Oh, we will have different options eventually. Okay, I just turned the sound down a little bit. I guess we're going with this one. 55-degree spread, 4 firepower, 3 fire range, and must have to reload every 2 shots, and it's got 8 shots. I'm guessing that's what that means. We'll see. The Black King had been an extravagant and unpleasant ruler. As the years went by, more and more of his subjects were won over by the White King, who offered higher wages and genuinely decent work. And then they took his castle. His knights resigned from his service. Even his wife, the Queen, abandoned him. Before leaving, the last Black Bishop came to the Black King and told him, "Thou hast been a bad king, yet thine reign is still holy. Thou shalt retain a claim over thine former subjects' souls, and we may yet have cause to fear thine wrath. Thus heed my warning. The wrath of a man as godly as knight thee be, is ever his undoing." But the Black King was abandoned by all, with not a rook left to his name. All he had left was his prized royal shotgun, the shreds of his dignity, and the growing fires of the prophesied wrath. Ever my undoing, was it? Undone. Just what more exactly could I lose? In his dark folly, the king loaded the shotgun and went to meet his final checkmate. Okay. So that's me. Okay. So I probably want to move. Can I move? Oh yeah, I can move up and then move up a little more. And then we'll shoot him. Bam. Oh, I have to reload. So, let's see. Here, I'd say this is probably the safest spot. Okay. Okay, he's dead. Bam. Okay. It's a little bit of a puzzle game. Oh, okay. So I need to shoot him from a distance. I see, I see, I see. Let's start by moving closer. Okay, that's a better start than before. Let's go here maybe. And then blast him. Uh-oh. Okay, let's go right here. Okay. Knight's Soul. Use it to move like a knight. Oh, there's, like, abilities. King's Shoulders. Once per floor, drag a nearby piece on your king and throw it in any direction. Add 2 bishops after 15 turns. Remove 2 pawns and 1 bishop. Doubles fire arc for 1 bullet. Ammo regeneration and fire range. I guess I'll take these two. Those sound... Wait. Are these like enemy abilities and these are mine or what? Or these... Maybe these are passive and... I'm not sure. Okay. I'll move forward for now. Oh, that would... Oh, so these shields... will stop you if you do something stupid. Or if you're about to do something stupid. Okay, I gotta reload. Let's go right there. I think I can take him. Okay, I can't take him. Yep, I'm dead. Okay. So, I can hover over them. Does it show their health? Okay, that must be maybe... The hourglass must be time until their next move. Oh, okay. Yeah, those hearts are their health. So bishop has 4, knight has 3. Pawns also have 3. And the king has 8. Uh-oh. I think I'll just try to take out the pawn. Okay. Right here. Should be safe. Oh no, he's gonna have too much health. Okay. That's not too bad. Let's see what we got. Oh, I think... I'm thinking... I'm not sure, actually. It's got black and white, so maybe this card gets given to the black side. Although, they don't have guns. At least not yet. I'm not sure what this is. Fire arc minus 18 degrees. That seems good. 1 firepower. Remove 1 pawn, add 1 bishop. 1 ammo. Minus 1 speed. Minus 1 blade. 1 HP. Let's go with this. Okay. So... Okay, this looks like it's passive. Oops. Okay, we got a lot of bishops. Let's try that Knight's Soul thing. Oh wait, none of the... this move should be fine. Okay. Gotta reload, so we'll move here, and then bam. Bam. Okay. This is very satisfying. Nice. Oh, I think when you kill the king, you automatically win. Just like in normal chess. Because that little pawn got struck by lightning or something. Oh, I think I understand what these are now. So, the black card is what I get. I get minus 1 fire range, protects from death once per floor. But the white team, the enemies, get 1 bishop. And bishops can move orthogonally, which I think that's up, down, left, right, and not diagonal. That seems pretty bad. But I get protection from death. I'll take that one. Okay. Let's move forward. Right there. Boom. Okay. That's enough to take him out. Let's blast in that direction. Go right here. Nice. Right here might be a good spot. Blast him. What would kill me here? Is that? That's the king. What's able to kill? Oh, the bishop. I'm stupid. And blind. Okay. Okay. And then move maybe here. Okay, I gotta spend some time reloading. So I wonder if you're able to get into a stalemate in this game. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. So for taking either of these, a queen is added to the board. And then this gives me, I already have this. So that'll just double. It'll increase my damage, but lower my fire arc. I want a little spread so I can hit multiple things. And then this one adds 1 ammo and an extra soul slot, which is this. So I got, I just have to wait to get another soul. Let's move forward. I think I should start by taking out this bishop. Oh, what's that? That's the queen. Okay. Right here. Okay. And then the queen doesn't have too much health. I'm gonna move here and see if I can get a shot on the king. Maybe I can just take out the king straight up. Yeah, okay. I think that's gonna be the strategy for most of these levels. Okay, so +4 firepower, that seems pretty strong. And flip the card if the shotgun has been reloaded, so I imagine that's triggers a different ability or something. And then this replaces a bishop with a rook, which protects other pieces from damage. I'm gonna take this one. Okay, there's our rook. I think. Yeah, there it is. It's got 5 health, that's a lot. Still have the queen. I think they might be working their way up to a full starting chess layout. Okay. I've got a lot of power. So he's gone. Okay, I need to move forward. You're gone. You're gone. And let's go here. Let's see if I can just go for the king. Didn't do that much damage to him. Ooh, I'm in a bad position here. I might be able to... Oh, you flip the card and it's exhausted. Okay. I see, I see. I'm gonna have to use the knight's soul, I think. Or the bishop. Yeah, the bishop. Get myself over here. Ah, they're cornering me. This isn't good. I don't think I can kill the rook. I think I might have lost this one. I'll accept my fate. Oh, that's right. I have the thing that saves me from dying. Alright, let's shoot the queen. Get her out of the way. Now, I think we can probably focus on the king. Try to kill him before the pawns make it to the other side of the board. Okay. Taken care of. So the first 2 shots have +4 firepower, is basically what that is. +3 ammo max. Non-knight pieces can't cross the moat. Oh. Remove 1 king. Add 1 bishop. Bishop plus 2 HP. Win if all bishops are dead. Ah, okay. Let's pick that one, because that'll make things interesting. Okay, we got a moat here. So we have to get rid of all the bishops. That's our goal here. Alright. That bishop's trying to run away now, I think. Yep, it looks like it. What is this? That's the queen. Okay. Okay, queen's dead. Let's move here. There. And then we can shoot that bishop. Oh, he ran away. Okay. Here. Blast him. And then we'll just go up and go after. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, so charge 2 additional shells in your shotgun. I'm guessing that means, like, load them into this part. I'm gonna take this. We'll see. Okay, that's what I thought it was. And then the white card gives the bishops the ability to heal. Oh, and unlocked a new gun. Oh, the Queen's Soul. So I can get myself all the way up here. And then blast. Nice. And then I'll move here. Then shoot the bishop. This actually synergizes really well with my... Exhausted because your shotgun has been reloaded. Oh no, that's the queen. I wasn't looking. Okay. Good thing I got that extra life. Got him. Okay. What do we got? Okay, I'm gonna say this one's better. Add 1 queen and 1 extra soul slot. And blade plus 3. I don't know what blade is. I think probably I have to pick one of these up. Yeah, blade is at 3, so it started at 0. Kill nearby pieces with 3 life or less without spending any shell. Okay. You're gone. You're gone. Oh, not quite. Gone. Ouch. Oh, no, I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna survive this. How much damage do I do? I do 5 damage. If I'm able to hit him, I will live. Okay. Oh, that's right. I didn't... Keep forgetting about that. I didn't use it yet. The... extra life. Oh, I also have these. I'm not used to having these in chess. Weird. Okay. I think I will take out the queen. Use the knight to move here. Oh, whoops, I missed. Okay. The Queen's Soul will move right here and then blast the bishop. Oh, right. Okay, you're done. Got him. Okay, so this adds a rook, but you gain 2 ammo each time you kill a rook. And this increases the fire arc length thing, but it gives you an additional shell for this. Then this one is, you can't play for 6 turns, which seems pretty bad to me. at the beginning, or until you're in check, and non-knight pieces within the moat can't attack you. It doesn't seem all that useful. Let's just go with this. Bigger guns. So I've got 5 shots now before it starts reloading. So that means this will be even better. Let's use the bishop's soul to get right up in there and boom. And then move up here. Ah, what? Oh, it's because I reloaded. And this thing canceled. It doesn't... So I guess it doesn't reload just if... It doesn't reload, what am I trying to say? It doesn't wait to reload until you're empty. It reloads, I think, as soon as you move. Okay, I'm done. Let's go. So it's 2 losses so far. Oh, you start over. Okay. This is kind of like Inscription, then. I would have been a little bit more careful if I had realized that you start over from the beginning. Okay, let's... Okay. I'm stupid. Okay. Attempt number... I guess this is 4. Let's get those out of the way. I got 4 firepower, so I can blast him. And then we're done. Okay, so this one, the king has 2 extra HP and the queen has 1 extra, but I have like, I can reduce the scope, I can reduce the arc by 45 degrees, which means it'll only have a 10-degree arc, which is pretty small. And then I get range plus 1. This one, fire arc plus 30 and 2 firepower. Kind of like a crowd control, I guess. And they add 1 pawn, and pawns can move and attack in 4 directions. That complicates things a lot, so I'm just going to go with this one. Plus, I think this black ability is much better. So let's see. Right click. Ah, okay, so it uses a turn in order to do that. So this means we can snipe the king. So I like that. I like being a sniper in games. Okay, shooting makes you move backwards, plus 2 firepower, minus 1 fire range. And adds 2 pawns, add 1 rook, but rooks have minus 2 HP, which I think is going to be pretty big. This one, use pawn's souls to gain plus 2 firepower on your next shot. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe it's when you kill a pawn. But then this one, there's a second king, which I don't like that. So I'm gonna go with the bottom one. I like the extra firepower to allow me to snipe better, and I can probably I can use that knockback thing strategically. So, oh, that didn't do too well. Uh-oh. Okay. Boom. Nice. Alright. I'm liking the sniper ability. I'll skip to when I get to where I was before, and then I'll summarize all the abilities that I've taken. Okay, I made a stupid move. I ended up knocking myself back with a shot into a place where a knight could get me. So, That sucked. We got a new weapon. I'm gonna end the video right here. That was a fun game. I definitely want to play more, so if anybody is interested in seeing that, leave a comment, and I will make more videos about this. I tried to record a Manic video today, but for some reason it didn't record my voice at all, despite the audio level showing that it was picking up my voice. So I will summarize whatever I did in that video in the next video, which will come out a little bit later. But I just wanted to play this instead because I didn't want to record 2 Manic videos back to back in the same day, and after the last one got broken. So anyways, that'll be coming probably tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment if you want to see more. Also comment any other suggestions for games that you might want to see me play. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.